Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Right now! Why did you let them do this to your baby? Oh my God!
We're gonna need a cage car.
No, please don't put me in a cage car. No, please.
Just, all right, you need to settle down.
I know you have a family too. Just don't do it to me.
All right.
I have kids. I have beautiful kids.
Get off here.
Please leave me alone. Why are all these men on me and nobody's trying to help me? I'm sorry this is happening to you, baby.
On April 17th, 2023, Orlando Police Department officers responded to a disturbance at Gate 24 of Orlando International Airport. A woman identified as Sherry was detained and charged with 4 criminal counts: disorderly conduct, battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, and resisting without violence. This analysis evaluates the legal merit of each charge.
Don't touch me.
We're not touching him, ma'am.
Leave me alone.
What's going on?
No, no, no.
Hey, I spoke with your husband earlier. I was the one to speak.
I know you spoke with him already.
I know, so are you on the phone with him?
Don't touch me. Leave me alone.
Are you... Can we talk? Ma'am, don't please.
Do not.
Don't touch that.
Leave me alone.
Okay.
No, I am not stopping. You will back the fuck away from me.
You need to settle down so we can talk.
I'm sorry, baby. No. I am getting away from the people.
Over there.
Sorry,
Over there.
no, leave me
Okay.
alone.
Ready? Okay.
Touch me. Do not touch me.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Till...
Do not touch me. Do not come near me.
Excuse us.
Do not come near me.
Excuse us. Excuse us. Oh, sorry.
Do not come near me. Do not
Ma'am.
come near me.
All right, you need to
My
settle
hands
down.
are up.
You need
Don't
to settle.
touch me.
You need to settle down.
Don't touch me.
You need to settle
No,
down.
I will not settle
All right.
down.
Yes.
You will back
Yes,
up.
you will.
You will back up.
She's got a pen in her hand.
No, get off of me.
Get down on the ground.
Get off.
Down the pen. Down the pen.
Get off of me.
Settle down.
Get the no! Get off of me! Get off! Get off! Get off! No! No!
Stop biting me.
Stop! No! Get off of me! Oh, no, please! Please stop it! Please stop it!
Roll onto your stomach.
No! Get off of me! Get off of me! Oh! Get
Roll over. You're making it hard on yourself.
off
Back it.
me! Get the off of me!
If your body can taste.
Get off!
Which side do you want to roll? We gotta pick the side. Come on.
Stop! Get off of me!
Stop it.
No!
Stop.
Good job. Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Get off of me! Now! Right now! Why did you let them do this to your baby? Get off! No! No! Please get off! Wow! Oh my God!
We're gonna need a cage car.
No, please don't put me in a cage car. Please get off of me. Get off of me now. No. No, please.
All right, you need to settle down.
I know you have a family too. Just don't do it to me.
All right.
I have kids. I have beautiful kids.
Get off here.
Please leave me alone.
Just settle down and we'll get everything
Please
out
leave
for
me
you.
alone.
All right.
Hello, lady. We're gonna sit you up.
Please don't call me little.
Okay.
Okay, well, you can help us with your legs, okay?
Is this your shoe over here too?
All right, sit down in the
Sit in the
wheelchair.
chair.
I don't wish to sit in.
We want you to sit down.
You to sit down, please. Sit down.
Please, please.
Come on, sit down. Sit down.
Please sit down. Please just sit down. You want to get her feet up down?
No, don't touch me.
We're not touching
Please,
you.
do you have a family?
We're just getting the lifts up. You can put
No,
your
no,
feet
no,
down if
no,
you
no,
want.
don't let them take me, please.
Come on.
Please,
Come on, we can take it.
no, please, don't let me. Why are all these men on me and nobody's trying to help me?
Just
We
put
are
your feet
helping you.
here.
No, you're not.
Just put your feet up
This
here,
is
ma'am.
really,
Is there other sneakers?
I already, don't touch me, please, stop it. Why were you? Please don't let them take me.
You got it. Does she have any other family members here?
Just hold on to her. Hold on to her.
Got it. There's some backstory.
No, get off of me.
We got the back,
It's a
Herbie.
backstory.
Herbie, you hang on to her. I got the back.
Why are you recording me?
23, I guess. Just go left.
Please.
Just go left.
No.
Yeah.
I'm sorry this is happening to you, baby.
Excuse us.
Come on, sit down, sit down, sit down.
No.
24. Get
No.
stop. Can you make some room?
No. Get off of me.
If she gets off, we're just gonna bring.
No, you can do it now. Yes.
Okay. I don't want
Right now,
Let's walk out.
I am not walking.
Ma'am, relax.
I'm sorry, baby. This is happening to you. You have
Going this way, folks. Excuse us. Man, stop, please. Coming through here.
help me, please.
Thank you.
No! Please!
Come on now, you're
Please don't take me
on, through here.
away. No! Ow! Ow!
Stop kicking.
No, please!
Come on, man.
No!
Come on, come on.
No! Ow! Help me! Ow!
Good? Come on, man.
No! I will not!
Come on, man.
We're almost there.
Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, man. Come on, we gotta go.
No! Why have you only been doing it for me?
Can you check my neck over here?
Please don't listen to me.
I don't know this.
No! No!
You got a bite mark. No, it's not broken. It's swollen.
We're gonna be here left.
Been bite mark.
Was that a bite?
Yeah, she bit me on the neck.
Sit her down.
No! Do not!
We have to do this. Bring her out.
So we got it.
Breaking my back!
Nobody's breaking anything. Grab her arms. You guys ready? On three. 1, 2, 3. Up she goes. And get in front.
Please put me down. I will walk now.
Okay. Stop screaming now.
Let me out
You're
of
gonna walk now. You said.
Telecom Oscar 992, 4 hour
We
unit
helped
check.
you up now, and now you're gonna walk with us.
Get off of me.
I'll talk to you when we get down there, okay? All right, ma'am. I'll talk to you when we get down there.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put on the stretch.
Okay, they're not. All right, here, back in, back in, back in, back in.
A full cocktail. Yep. AMR still coming?
No.
We want them to look.
Do not give me any drugs. I don't use any drugs.
If you're gonna sedate her, can we get a stretcher up here then?
No. No, I don't use any
They're back
drugs.
here and they're ready to do
They're trying to
I'll get
sedate
the
me.
stretcher up.
We're gonna put soft restraints on you, okay? We're gonna put soft cuffs on you.
Can we do soft restraint on her?
I know.
And then one cuff to the gurney. And make sure we get clearance on that.
Yes, we'll do,
Hey,
sir.
just come pick me up at the truck.
Thank you.
All right.
Run and grab the dick.
No, please don't take me in there. Please take me. Take me to the doctor. All right. I put my arm inside of this. Have your, I'm gonna just stick it right out there, okay?
I'll be,
Put a non-intubated capno on the back of the stretcher.
Okay.
I'm gonna be in there with you. Hold on.
We're gonna put you in this seat.
Okay.
That way you're out of sight, and then make things from getting. She's pretty. She's
I'll
pretty
just sit there.
sedated.
I'm just gonna be quiet.
Yep.
All right.
Exactly.
Appreciate it, guys.
The threshold question is whether the initial detention was lawful from inception. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, decided in 1968, officers may conduct an investigative stop upon reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity, a legal standard that requires specific, objective facts, not a hunch. A report of a person screaming and behaving erratically in a busy public terminal satisfies that standard without ambiguity. The detention was lawful. Every charge that follows must be evaluated against that foundation. The battery charge is the strongest of the four. Under Florida Statute Section 784.07, the battery on a law enforcement officer is a third-degree felony, carrying up to 5 years imprisonment. The Bodycam audio captures an officer stating, "Stop biting me," during the restraint sequence. That act is legally unambiguous. No mental health context, however sympathetic, eliminates criminal liability for physical assault on law enforcement under Florida law. This charge does not carry First Amendment protection. It stands independent of the other three counts. The two resisting charges, Florida Statute Sections 843.01 and 843.02, rest on a single predicate: whether the underlying detention was lawful. As established under Terry, it was. Sustained physical resistance during a lawful, investigative stop supports both counts. Section 843.01, resisting with violence, is a third-degree felony. Section 843.02, resisting without violence, is a misdemeanor. The factual predicate for both is established directly by the Bodycam record. The disorderly conduct charge is the weakest of the four and the most constitutionally precarious. Florida Statute Section 877.03 requires fighting or behavior that outrages public decency. The Supreme Court addressed this standard directly in City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451, decided in 1987. The court held that verbal conduct directed at law enforcement, including profanity, is protected expression. Under the First Amendment, a disorderly conduct statute that criminalizes speech alone is constitutionally infirm. If this charge rests solely on verbal conduct, it faces serious First Amendment exposure in any motion to dismiss. If the state premises it on the physical resistance sequence, kicking, biting, struggling, the First Amendment concern recedes. However, that same physical conduct is already captured more precisely by the battery and resisting counts, creating a double coverage problem that skilled defense counsel will exploit at charging. The use of force question is governed by Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, decided in 1989. The Supreme Court established that force must be judged by objective reasonableness from the officer's on-scene perspective, not with the benefit of hindsight. Three factors apply: the severity of the crime at issue, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether active resistance was occurring. All three were present in this encounter. Officers applied bodyweight control exclusively. No strikes, no impact weapons, no conducted energy device. That response, in a confined public terminal, with bystanders present, falls within acceptable parameters. A confirmed bite elevates the immediate threat factor and independently justifies sustained restraint. Under the Graham framework, the force applied was proportionate. The central institutional question concerns Florida Statute Section 394.463, the Baker Act. When an individual's behavior indicates mental illness, creating danger to themselves or others, Florida law empowers officers to initiate a civil, involuntary examination in lieu of criminal arrest. The behavioral indicators present here: paranoid ideation, sustained disconnection from verbal engagement, and explicit fear of confinement, met the statutory threshold criteria. Whether this civil pathway was formally evaluated before criminal arrest was initiated is a policy question the footage does not answer. That absence represents the core institutional failure. The officers receive a B. Force was proportionate under Graham. EMS coordination was prompt and medically appropriate. No excessive force was applied at any stage. The deduction, the de-escalation window before physical contact was narrow for an encounter, presenting unmistakable mental health indicators. A longer structured verbal engagement before initiating physical control was both tactically and legally available. The subject receives a C+. Verbal conduct was constitutionally protected through. That is not in dispute under Hill. The battery, however, is indefensible. Physical resistance to a lawful detention, specifically, biting an officer, created felony-level criminal exposure that full compliance would have entirely avoided. The Orlando Police Department as an institution receives a B-. Officers performed within their training parameters. The institutional gap is structural. The absence of a documented, mandatory Baker Act assessment protocol for encounters presenting like clear mental health indicators before defaulting to criminal arrest. Three principles apply beyond this encounter. First, the Baker Act is not a discretionary option. It is an institutionally required assessment. When behavioral indicators are present, departments, without explicit decision frameworks, default to criminal arrest by inertia, not by legal necessity. Second, physical resistance to a lawful detention generates criminal liability independent of its cause. The legal remedy for an unlawful detention is the courthouse, not the confrontation. That principle holds regardless of the subject's mental state or the merits of the underlying stop. Third, verbal conduct, however loud, profane, or directed at officers, does not constitute a criminal act under settled First Amendment law. Charging disorderly conduct on the basis of protected speech remains a persistent misapplication of the statute in departments that have not internalized Hill. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this content informative or compelling, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when we release new uploads. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the most compelling police interactions, courtroom proceedings, and real-world legal moments, and there's a lot more on the way. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next one.